This quick video is about how to directly save your screenshot to Files app instead of saving automatically to Photos app on any iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First, take a screenshot by pressing volume up button plus side button at the same time. Now touch this screenshot. Yeah. Here just tap done. Then you can see these options. Here you can directly save screenshot to Files or Photos app. For now we need to save this to Files app. So just tap Save to Files and select the path or create a new folder here. Then just tap Save. That's it. Now you directly saved your screenshot to Files app instead of Photos app. Like this. And if you want to know more tips and tricks videos about iPhone, watch this playlist. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.